in northeast Louisiana, Franklin Parish in northeast Louisiana, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was indicated 10 miles west of Putnam moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Putnam by 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Alto by 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Stark, Archibald and Mangum by 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Waco by 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Holly Ridge by 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Bakers by 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado warning means that a tornado is occurring or imminent. You should activate your tornado action plan and take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday evening for southeast Arkansas and northeast Louisiana and Mississippi. Repeating, a tornado warning